Have you ever wondered about the secret ingredient to youthful, radiant skin? Perhaps it's been sitting in your fruit bowl all along. That's right, we're talking about cherries. These small fruits are packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, which are the culprits behind skin aging. They're also loaded with vitamins A, C, and B group vitamins, all crucial for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. So, what exactly does a cherry face mask do for your skin? Firstly, it works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. The natural properties of cherries can lift your skin, making those fine lines less noticeable. Secondly, the nutrients in cherries help to maintain skin elasticity and firmness. And lastly, with regular use, a cherry mask can brighten your complexion, evening out skin tone and minimizing minor imperfections. Now, you may be wondering, how do you create this magical mask? It's simpler than you think. All you need is a handful of ripe cherries, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Begin by washing the cherries and removing the pits. Then, mash them until you have a uniform paste. Add in the honey and lemon juice, mixing everything together thoroughly. Once your mask is prepared, apply it to your cleansed face and let it sit for about 20 minutes. When time is up, wash it off with warm water. After just a few days of regular use, you'll start to see the effects. Your skin will become more radiant, smooth, and soft to the touch. You may even notice a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Now it's your turn. Have you ever tried a cherry face mask? What were your impressions? Did you see any changes in your skin's appearance? Share your experiences in the comments below. We're eager to hear about your journey to healthier, glowing skin.